The 2018 Continental. The Continental is synonymous with the flagship of the Lincoln brand. Lincoln Continental delivers comfort and technology in a stylish full-size package. Packaged with technology, computer electronics are applied to nearly every facet of the driving experience. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, active suspension system, universal garage door opener. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
With Lincoln certified pre-owned vehicles, you can rest assured that you're getting a vehicle you can count on. All Lincoln certified vehicles go through a thorough inspection by factory trained technicians and come with a comprehensive warranty. And just to ease your mind, they also provide 24/7 roadside assistance. Check out your local Lincoln dealer today to find out all the other benefits buying a Lincoln certified vehicle can offer you.